Yo, buddy, grab your imaginary coffee. This one's gonna blow your mind. Remember when I was drowning in debt? Turns out I was ignoring rules that kept families rich for thousands of years. Not stocks, not crypto, Jewish money wisdom that survived exiles, wars, and recessions. And today, I'm breaking down the 7 game changers that'll lock your wallet shut. Rule number 1, live below the hype. Society screams, buy that BMW, treat yourself. Jewish wisdom whispers, who's rich? Those happy with what they have. Buffett still lives in his $31,000 house from 1958. Not 'cause he's cheap, 'cause peace of mind beats Instagram flexing. Try this. Spend max 80% of your paycheck. The rest? Emergency fund plus investments. Found $500 per month leaking on Uber Eats and unused subscriptions? That's your wealth starter kit. Rule number 2. Debt equals modern slavery. Harsh truth. The borrower is slave to the lender. Credit cards? 20% interest traps. Car loans? Wealth assassins. My cousin Jake financed a $40,000 truck. Now owes $60,000. Jewish families? Buy used. Pay cash. Freedom isn't a credit limit. It's owing nobody. Rule number 3. Knowledge equals bulletproof wealth. Here's the secret sauce. Never stop learning. Jewish grandmas will grill you about compound interest. Why? Teach someone wisdom. You feed them for life. Spend 15 minutes per day. Read The Millionaire Next Door. Listen to finance podcasts. Knowledge survives market crashes. Rule number 4. Diversify like your life depends on it. 3,000 years before Wall Street, the Talmud said, split your cash 3 ways. Land, real estate, business, stocks, cash reserve, modern translation, stocks and bonds, and emergency fund. If one crashes, you don't starve. Rule number 5. Track every single dollar. Most people lose $500 per month like it's magic. Jewish tradition? Daily money check-ins. Your cash is a soldier. Give it orders. Try this 7-day spending audit. Write down every coffee, subscription, impulse buy. You'll find $1,000 per year hiding in plain sight. Rule number 6. Give to grow. Seriously, this one's wild. Give 10% before you think you can afford it. Not charity, tzedakah, justice. Why? Giving builds community safety nets. Lose your job? Your mosque/synagogue/church feeds your family. Karma's a bank that always pays interest. Rule number 7. Plan like you'll live forever. Wise people see danger coming. Broke people wait for disaster. Jewish families? Wills, life insurance. College funds for grandkids. Set this up today. 1-hour will online. Trust and will. Term life insurance. $500,000 for $30 per month. Family emergency binder with passwords. Look, these rules outlasted pyramids and pandemics for a reason. They're not secrets, they're choices. Choose freedom over flash. Choose legacy over lattes. Smash subscribe. I decode ancient wealth hacks every week. No boring finance bros. Join my Patreon squad, link below. You're not just buying me coffee. You're funding a wisdom revolution, helping single moms, students, and veterans escape the debt trap. Seriously, every supporter gets a virtual high five from history. Now go audit those subscriptions. Your great-grandkids will thank you.